Caffeine convo. Hi, mind if I join you?
Sure, have a seat.
What's your go-to coffee?
I love a classic black coffee. How about you?
Any favorite coffee shop treats?
Can't resist a good chocolate croissant.
Do you come here often?
Yeah, it's my daily caffeine fix spot. You?
Ever tried their specialty drinks?
Not yet. Any recommendations?
How do you take your coffee, cream or sugar?
Just a splash of cream, no sugar.
Do you work nearby?
Yeah, the office is just around the corner.
What's your favorite thing about mornings?
The quietness, before the day gets busy.
Do you prefer working in coffee shops?
Sometimes, the change of scenery helps.
Mind if I grab the bill?
That's kind of you. Thanks.
A fitness chat. How long have you been working out here?
About a year now. And you?
Any favorite exercise routines?
I love a good mix of cardio and weights.
Do you follow a specific diet?
Mostly balanced meals, nothing too strict.
How do you stay motivated?
Setting small goals keeps me on track.
Ever tried any fitness classes?
I love yoga and spinning exercises.
Do you prefer morning or evening workouts?
Definitely evenings after work. You?
What's your take on cheat days?
I believe in treating yourself occasionally.
Any fitness apps you swear by?
MyFitnessPal helps me keep tabs on my meals.
How important is rest day for you?
Vital. It's when the body repairs and strengthens.
Do you have any fitness goals for the upcoming months?
I'm working on increasing my running distance. How about you?
A bookstore conversation. Excuse me, do you need help finding a book?
Actually, I'm looking for a good mystery novel.
Do you have a favorite author?
Agatha Christie is my all-time favorite. How about you?
Do you prefer physical books or e-books?
I love the feel of a physical book in my hands.
Have you read anything interesting lately?
Just finished a gripping thriller. It was hard to put down.
Do you have a reading routine?
I like to read before bed to unwind.
Are you into any specific genre?
I enjoy a mix, but mystery and fantasy are top picks.
Do you often revisit books?
Definitely, especially if it's a favorite.
Do you participate in book clubs?
Not currently, but I've thought about it. And you?
Hardcover or paperback?
I like the durability of hardcovers, but paperbacks are more portable.
At the airport conversation. Is this your first time flying?
No, but it still makes me a bit nervous. How about you?
Window or aisle seat preference?
Definitely the window. I love the view.
Have you any favorite travel destinations?
I'm a beach person, so tropical destinations are my go-to.
How do you pass the time during long flights?
Movies, books, and the in-flight snacks keep me entertained.
Do you collect souvenirs from your travels?
I try to grab a small memento from each place I visit.
Have you ever experienced flight delays?
Unfortunately, yes. It's part of the travel adventure. Both have their perks, but I enjoy the freedom of solo travel.
Any travel tips for packing efficiently?
Roll your clothes and use packing cubes. It's a game changer.
What's the most memorable trip you've taken? Do you prefer traveling solo or with company?
Backpacking through Europe was an incredible experience.
Are you a planner or do you go with the flow during trips?
A bit of both. I plan the essentials but leave room for spontaneity.